Today, we will solve another tricky question on prime factorization step by step. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Express 60 as the product of prime numbers and write it in index form using factor tree method. Start dividing 60 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 60 exactly, we get 30. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, this branch ends here. Again, start dividing 30 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 30 exactly, we get 15. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, this branch ends here. Again, start dividing 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 15 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 15 exactly, we get 5. Observe, both branches end with prime numbers 3 and 5 respectively. So, these branches end here. Also, the prime factorization is said to be completed. Finally, collect all the prime numbers at the ends of the factor tree. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3, and 5. Therefore, prime factorization of 60 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is the index form. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more such tricky questions, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist. Thank you.